everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark we are making some beautiful encaustic art. Now I love encaustic art, I love the textures and the layers and the depths, but I'm just not that great at working with wax, and using my Surebonder glue gun was a great way to get all of those effects that worked for me. Now we're colorizing these with Marabu alcohol inks, and I'm using images printed on graphics inkjet clear film. It's really cool stuff. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some encaustic art. Make sure to use the shiny side of the silicone mat so that you're able to see the details below the layers of hot glue. The word encaustic means to burn in or fuse. It's an ancient art first practiced by Greek artists as far back as the 5th century. There was a resurgence in encaustic art in the 20th century with artists like Diego Rivera, Jasper Johns, Picasso, and David Hockney. Part of why I love this faux encaustic technique is because of the depth and layers that can quickly and easily be created with hot glue. Protective layer in the finish of your choice with either a high gloss satin or matte lacquer. I'm going to leave a link to everything I used for this video. Thumbs up if you like this project. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like them, and I'm going to leave a link below to those as well. And I will see you next week. Bye.